Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled AI Bias. Unmasking Hidden Prejudices in Your Models. Hey everyone, Chaitanya here, and today we're tackling a super important topic, AI bias. You might be thinking, AI is just code. How can it be biased? Great question. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how AI, despite being built on logic, can unfortunately learn and even amplify human prejudices. This isn't just a technical challenge. It's an ethical one that every developer needs to understand, whether you're just starting or building complex systems. Imagine you're training a chef, your AI model, to make pizzas. You only ever show them how to make pepperoni pizzas. When someone asks for a vegetarian pizza, what happens? Your chef is stumped or, worse, makes a pepperoni pizza and calls it vegetarian. AI bias is similar. It's when your AI system consistently makes unfair or incorrect decisions for certain groups, or performs worse for them, because of skewed patterns it learned during its training. It's not about the AI having feelings, but about reflecting the unfairness present in the data it was fed. As a developer, you'll spend a lot of time collecting and preparing data. This data is literally your AI's textbook. If that textbook is incomplete or leans too heavily on one perspective, your AI will learn a biased lesson. For example, if you're building an AI to recognize faces, and your training data mostly contains pictures of light-skinned individuals, the AI might struggle to accurately identify people with darker skin. This is called data bias, often the biggest culprit. Your job is to make sure the data is representative and fair. Even before the data, we the developers, engineers, and designers make choices that can introduce bias. What features do we decide the AI should pay attention to? What goals do we set for its success? If we, for example, build an AI job recruiter and tell it to prioritize candidates who sound like previous, successful hires, who were predominantly male, the AI might learn to undervalue female candidates, even if it's not explicitly programmed to do so. Our assumptions and choices in the design phase deeply impact the outcome. Sometimes, bias can creep in or even be amplified by the AI model itself. Even with seemingly fair data, some complex AI models, like deep neural networks, can find subtle, unintended correlations in the data and exploit them. Imagine an AI designed to recommend movies. If it sees that historically, people who watch action movies also happen to live in a certain zip code, a correlation, not causation, it might start over recommending action movies only to people in that zip code, ignoring their actual preferences. Understanding how your model processes information is key. So, why should a developer care about this? Because biased AI isn't just an abstract concept. It has serious real-world consequences. Imagine an AI used in loan applications that unfairly denies loans to certain ethnic groups. Or an AI in healthcare that misdiagnoses certain populations due to biased training data. From perpetuating stereotypes in image generation to making critical decisions in legal or medical fields, biased AI can reinforce societal inequalities and cause significant harm. Our code has impact. This is where you come in. Your first line of defense is *data diligence. 1. Diverse data collection. Actively seek out and include data from all relevant groups your AI will interact with. Don't just grab the easiest data. 2. Data auditing and cleaning. Before training, thoroughly inspect your data. Look for imbalances, missing information for specific groups, or embedded stereotypes. Tools and libraries exist to help you visualize and analyze data distributions. 3. Defining fairness. What does fairness mean for your specific application? It's not always simple, but starting this conversation early helps guide your data and model choices. Beyond data, there's more you can do throughout the development lifecycle. 1. Diverse teams. A team with different backgrounds is more likely to spot potential biases early on. 2. Model explainability. XAI. Can you understand why your AI made a certain decision? Tools that help open the black box can reveal if it's relying on a biased pattern. 3. Continuous testing and monitoring. Test your AI's performance across different demographic groups. Don't just test overall accuracy. Ensure it's fair for everyone. Even after deployment, monitor for signs of bias in real-world use and be prepared to update your models. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.